Hi everyone, today we've got this stunning 2017 BMW 4 Series. It's a 420D M Sport xDrive, and that's the coupe. That's a bit of a mouthful. It's finished in this lovely elegant white. It's covered just 61,463 miles and comes with a full BMW service warranty. 10 services in total to be exact. The latest one was done at 60,000 miles, so it's been meticulously maintained every single year by its previous owner. Lovely car, this one. The car has the perfect mix of sporty styling and refined performance. Under the bonnet, you've got a 2-litre diesel engine, and that's paired with the BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system and a smooth automatic gearbox. As it is the M Sport model, it does come with that aggressive styling and premium finish. Exactly what you'd expect from a car of this sort. Looks absolutely lovely head on. Does come with the attached number plate as well. It's got the nice circle lights there and the grille. It's got beautiful black alloys all on this one. No scuffs or marks that we can see on the alloys there. I do say the black and the white go really well together. There we go. And there's the other alloy. Car, as I said, the car is in really, really good condition. Its previous owner looked after it really well. It was even spotless coming to us, not much cleaning needed. As we head inside, you'll see it's all BMW pure quality. It's a really driver focused, refined and practical enough for everyday use inside. As we can see, we've got the entertainment system there, which has the enhanced Bluetooth with USB audio and voice control, which is a £386 extra from the factory as well as the sun protection glazing for that extra sleek look. So it does have a few factory extras on this model. Go. So the lovely BMW big steering wheel, big badge in the middle. You've got all your buttons on here to control your music and the car itself. Got your heads up display over here. And as we said, this is your entertainment system, all controlled by your buttons and circles down here. With your dual control aircon there. Obviously, a full list of what is available on the infotainment system is on our website, so do feel free to check that out. You've got your CD player as well. This car does have different modes. You can put it into Sport, Eco and Pro. And you've got your parking sensor buttons down here, along with a manual handbrake. More storage in here with your USB and AUX plug-in as well. It's a really nice car. One thing that does stand out on this model is you'll probably see on the door, it's a striking blue finish that goes right across the car. There you go, really, really premium quality. Really do feel like you're driving a sports car in this. Well, you are, really. Seats come back really easily without much hassle. So this lovely clean back interior. It's all of BMW's premium leather. It is a 2-seater in the back. Got a storage tray in the middle with your air vents down there as well. What you do also have, excuse me, there we go, is a storage in the middle with your 2 cup holders. Like I said, the seats fold really easily, just to touch the button on the push back as well, and they go back. No effort whatsoever. Coming down to the back of the car, you have a really, really good sized deep boot. So, I don't know if you can see it with the sun, but you have a really nice deep boot on this one. Comes with everything you need, including the BMW first aid kit, should you need it. Obviously, if you take that out, you've got some nice storage down the sides as well. And you also, in the side, got this BMW maintenance pack. So you got a spanner and obviously everything you need as well. I'll leave that in there. For peace of mind, it will come with a long MOT. That's until the end of May 2026. So you know you're driving away with confidence. With its perfect blend of style, performance and luxury, this 4 Series is a superb choice if you're looking for a premium coupe that's as good on twisty back roads as it is on the motorway. Come down and see it for yourself, give it a test drive and see what you think at Ben Marks Motors. If this isn't the motor for you, we do have plenty of other choices available in our lovely indoor showroom. So even if this isn't one for you, do come down and we will have something that you will love. Thank you for watching.